This segment explores the psychology of apologies, showing a couple pausing to name emotions clearly before speaking. They practice a three-step apology that acknowledges hurt, takes responsibility, and proposes a concrete reparative action. The facilitator explains why genuine apologies restore trust by reducing perceived threat and validating the other's experience with specifics. Viewers are invited to a quick exercise where they draft a 60-second apology, rehearse aloud, and share it with a trusted friend. By tracking responses over a week, couples notice less defensiveness and more collaborative problem-solving.